Get that bag, get through.
I don't wanna wait too long. I don't wanna wait too long. I don't wanna wait too. Don't wanna wait too. Don't wanna wait too long. I don't wanna wait too long. I don't wanna wait too long. Don't wanna wait too long. I don't wanna wait too. Don't wanna wait too.
Yeah, you knew you were wrong when you did it, nigga. I swear these niggas be wild, now I don't feel it, nigga. Get it, nigga. I know you will be okay. Call me if you need me and I'm on the way. Yeah, that chopper make you fall back, nigga. Yeah, I ain't tired of you knock my back, nigga. Strap, nigga. Just in case you run up, you get clapped, nigga. How you say I'm bummy, but you chat, niggas? Yeah, I just gave the girl the keys, I let her explore. From the wooden house, now we at Christian Dior. I had to settle that, now she knowing that less is more. Yeah, that's that team shit we winning, that you can check the score. Bunch of memories, talking shit I can't explain. But let me take them back, man, we stole them chains. But let me take them back.
Football was the dream.
But let me take them back, me and Chloe thing. But let me take them back, me and Bria thing. But let me take it back, talking Georgia things. But let me take them back, while my mama leave. But let me take them back, we left school with these. But let me take them back, I told Grant to leave. We was winning a young kid, we seen a dream. I'm committed to gang, how the fuck can I leave? Made a promise to my brother, I'm never gonna leave. We took some sense and made a nickel of it. If dollars talking, I'm your bigger cousin. Them dollars talking, so them niggas bustin'. Hey yo, tell me who them niggas cousin, who them niggas muggin'?
I know you'll be okay. I saw you from a mile away. Girl, you should come my way. Cause I don't wanna wait no time, girl. I don't wanna wait no time, girl. I don't wanna wait no time, girl.